Arduino Cloud Editor. So Arduino is a IDE which can be used offline, or now it can be used online also. So they have provided the cloud support for that. So today's learning outcome will be, at end of this session, students will be able to use Arduino Cloud Editor for interfacing various sensors. So in the field of electronics, whenever you are going to do the interfacing real time, so with the Arduino, so at that time you have to write a code where the Arduino IDE is used. That the same thing can be used in the Arduino Cloud Editor now. So today we'll see how to launch Arduino Cloud Editor, and we'll see how that functions can be used in the same manner which is used in the offline here. So for that now we'll switch to the Arduino Cloud Editor, how to launch on it. So just go to Google and you can type Arduino Cloud Editor here. So go to this page, so which is known as an Arduino Cloud here. So for that reason, so I have already logged in, so directly I am getting the message that go to sketches here. Otherwise you will be asked to log in with your email address here. Okay, same way, if you go for this is the interface which is used for the Arduino Cloud Editor here. So here are the some sketches which have been stored here previously, and if you want to write a new sketches here, you have to click on this, create a new sketch here. So the same thing, whatever the offline is available, the same thing can be used here now. Okay, so this is the setup used for the Arduino this board here. Okay, so you have to select the device, because the various form of Arduinos are available in the market now. So this is used for the verifying, and if you want to use this for the verification and compilation of the code here. Okay, and now actually you can write the code here. So void setup and void loop here. So select device means, before selecting a device, whenever you are going to write the code in the cloud here, so that code has to be built, or you have to burn that code into your offline device which is connected to your a laptop or a PC here. So for that you need to install Arduino Cloud Agent, so which is not found here. So just whenever you are going to go for the first time for the Arduino Cloud, so you will get the message Arduino Cloud Agent is not found here. So for that reason you need to download it now. Okay, once this agent has been installed here, so as shown in this figure, this is a laptop, this is an Arduino board, actual Arduino board, where you can connect it with your USB type cable. So just click on it and you have to start the device here. So you need to download it for Win64 or 32-bit. So if you download it for Windows 64-bit here, so your agent has been installed here. Just click on that, the agent will be installed. Now you will be able to, so now you will be able to connect your board to the cloud. So whatever the changes you are going to made in your code, that directly has to be burned into your Arduino board here now. Okay, so these are the some few steps are there in the installing the agent here. So launching agent here. So you will look, so after completing the Arduino create agent here, so the symbol will come in this manner here. So go to Arduino create, open this, pause and the quit agent here. So whenever you are going to connect this board, so the agent will be required here. So now once you have installed this, so select device. So if your device is plugged in, it will show all the devices which are been plugged into your this, or do you want to verify your sketch or specify. So select device type here. So these are the features of the Arduino boards here. Now just you have to type Arduino Uno type board. Okay, just click on that. So the board is now been selected here, but the device is actually is not being connected. If it has been connected, so you can verify and burn that directly into the code here. So this is your compilation code here. Okay, so this was the how to write and code and how to burn that code into a board here. So that's why we have to install the agent first. So for that, if you need to see the output serially print out here, so you need to show the output here also, that is known as a serial monitor here. And now if you go for the basic examples which are inbuilt in your Arduino, so these are the basic inbuilt examples like basics, analog read is there, blink program. So if you click on that, so the new windows will open here. In that you will be having all the programs written by the Arduino community. So this is the void setup. So this is the function which is used to select the pin mode, which is can be taken as an input or the output here. Okay, whatever the pins you are going to connect to your various sensors are there. For example, ultrasonic sensor which has 4 pins, like echo is there, plus minus, echo in and echo out here. So there 4 pins should be described in this setup here, which pin is connected to the Arduino board here. And after that loop, your whatever the logic is there. Now suppose this is the program for the blink here. So your LED, inbuilt LED which is being connected to the 13 pin of an Arduino, which will be making high and low after the delay of 1000 seconds. Okay, so this will turn on the LED when the high voltage is there and turn off the when the voltage is low here. Okay, so directly you can verify and you can burn this program into an board here by using an Arduino agent here. Similarly, there are communication protocols are there, control sensors are there. These are the basic sensors program they have given. Starter basic kits are there. So you can use all these program. Okay, so these are the pre-built programs available on the cloud also. So from libraries, so you have to install all this library. For example, if A96 is there, so you can have this tool. So various libraries are available here. So if you want to use the motors where the speed is your concern, so you can include this program here. Okay, so this is regarding about the examples for built-in and libraries here. And if you want to include some libraries, okay, now suppose if you want to include some libraries like DST library, temperature sensor libraries, that is DST 22 or 11. Okay, these are the libraries. So you can select which version you want to install and they will show all the examples, read humidity, read temperature and humidity and all those things, or directly you can include also. Now this is the new options available on the cloud here. Directly this if you click this, so this include.dst11.h will be included file, or you can install on this board here. Okay, so this in this manner you can have various types of libraries like ultrasonic libraries. So if you want to include this also, just click on this, it will be available, that is include ultrasonic.h here. Okay, so these are the features provided by the Arduino here. So now these are the functions, variables and the structures. What is the sketch, loop? Okay, so you can have all the information about the loops here, how it is written here. If you go for variables, byte, characters, float, all will there, array will be there. How the array will be defined, it's like same like in C language. Okay, which are the functions available, readily available in your Arduino, which can be seen here. If you want to print something, so how you are going to write for the print function here. For example, liquid crystal, for like an liquid crystal, begin, clear. So these are the functions used to connect the LCD here. Okay, the LCD functions are there. If you click on this liquid crystal, so they will show how to write, where the addresses are there here, like 16 into 1 here. So this will be printing hello world program, and these are the pins connected to your Arduino. See this is the functions directly include here. Okay, so this is the liquid crystal functions here. In the same manner, if you are going to use this, you can have the devices directly, you can connect this, things are there. Okay, dashboards, various dashboards, like you can connect your widgets, triggers, IoT templates, because nowadays Cloud Blink, Cloud ESP32s, various forms of an Arduinos are being used here. So energy meter, so you can include all these template directly into your program and you can use this. Okay, so this is how we are going to make use of an Arduino cloud editor now. Okay, so for the next session, so we'll be seeing by using the software this, how we are going to do a simulation and interfacing of a various sensors here. Okay, so now we'll go for the references whatever we have used for this material, that is arduino.cc and wokai.com here. Okay, thank you.